The KINGYES folding Adirondack chair set feels thoughtfully designed for outdoor spaces, combining a classic silhouette with a clever folding mechanism that makes seasonal storage surprisingly easy. Its high-density polyethylene construction shrugs off harsh sun, snow, and coastal moisture, so the chairs keep their color and structure without the cracking or splintering you often see in wood. The generously sized seat, contoured back, and wide armrests provide genuinely comfortable support for long conversations or quiet reading sessions on the patio. A subtle wood grain texture and cloud-shaped back detail give the chairs a more upscale, furniture-like presence that blends well with gardens, decks, and pool areas. Because the set arrives mostly pre-assembled with clear hardware and instructions, getting all 8 chairs ready for use is straightforward, even if you're not especially handy. Maintenance is minimal, since the smooth, slatted surfaces rinse clean with water, and the sturdy build quality and service support inspire confidence that the set is meant for long-term use.